Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Essay Quaid-e Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah are our national hero. Both headings we can mention. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the founder of our country, Pakistan. Or we can say Quaid-e Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is our national hero. He was born in Karachi on December 25, 1876. He received his early education in Karachi. He was a very intelligent lad ladka. He studied law in England. In the beginning, he became a member of Indian National Congress. It's a political party, but soon he felt that Congress stood for Hindus only. Indian National Congress Party work only for Hindus. So he joined the Muslim League. So he joined the party Muslim League. He fought he fought bravely for the rights of the Muslims. He stood very firm. He demanded a separate homeland for the Muslims. After joining Muslim League, he fought for Muslims and he demanded a separate homeland for the Muslims. He worked day and night for the Muslims. He did not care or he didn't care of his rest, food and sleep and won Pakistan for us, for Muslims, on 14th August 1947. He was the first Governor General of Pakistan. He also called founder or father of Pakistan. He was a great man of his age. He died on 11th September 1948. His tomb is in Karachi. And we also can add sentence here. We call him our national hero. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.